Hello everyone, today we will discuss about the morphology of flowering plant. So, first we will discuss about the what is morphology, stem, leaf, roots. So first we will discuss about the introduction. Here, morphology is the study of shape, size and external structure of plants. Angiosperms show huge variation in root, stem, leaves, flower and fruit. A flowering plant is divided into root systems and shoot system. As you can see in, I already underlined that point. Root system below ground and shoot system above ground. Okay. And last point is understanding morphology helps in identifications and classifications of plant. So, in a simple and easy way, we can say that morphology means the outer structure of plants like root, stem, leaves, flower and fruits. Okay. And next we will discuss about the root characteristics. So the root is the underground part of the plant that develops from the radicle of seeds. It grows towards the soil like geotropic and away from sunlight, that is negatively phototropic. Last point is root do not have nodes or internodes or buds or normally. So in root is usually below the soil and it develops from the radicle of the seeds. Its growth towards soil and away from sunlight. So root do not have nodes or buds. Okay. Next we will discuss about the type of root system. So type of root system, mainly here the three type of root system. First is taproot system, second is fibrous root system, third is advantageous roots. So first we will discuss about the taproot systems. So in taproot system, one is strong primary root with many lateral branches found in dicots. Dicots means two or more. Example is mustard. As you can see in the pictures also, like in pictures that you can see that roots with many lateral branches are there, right? Taproot. See the carrot. It has a thick main root, right? Next we will discuss about the fibrous root system. So primary root disappear and many thin roots arise from base of stem in monocots. Monocots means one. And example are wheat. As you can see in pictures also, wheat, peas, beans, marigold. So students, in fibrous root system, like many thin roots comes out from the stem base. See in monocots like wheat, rice and grass. So look how this root is spread like a bunch of threads, right? Let's discuss about the difference between taproot and fibrous root. Then you will understand easily. Okay. So in the taproot system, primary root dominates over branches, go very deep into the soil, seen in dicots, like example is radish and carrots. And in fibrous root, like not a dominant root, is spread laterally, seen in monocots. And example are wheats and marigold. So this is the difference. So in fibrous root system, you can see that root is spread like a bunch of thread, right? And in taproot, this carrot, it has a thick main root. So these are the difference. I hope you all are understood that. Next is advantageous root. Advantageous root arise from stem, leaf or other part instead of radicle. Example banyan, grass. So as you can see in the pictures, like here, that root arise from stem, leaf or other many parts, right? So these are the advantageous root. See these hanging root of banyan, they are advantageous root. Okay, they may grow from stem or leaf. The roots are grow randomly. Okay, so this is the advantageous root. Next we will discuss about the reason of a root. So here mainly four reasons. First is root cap, meristematic reason, reason of elongations, reason of maturations. So these are the main reason. In root cap reason, protect the root. In meristematic reason, behind cap has small actively dividing cells, root grow longer. Okay, so here the mainly root cap protect the root tips as a move through soil, and meristematic reason, behind cap has a small actively dividing cells, root grow longer, and reason of elongation cell enlarge and increase the root length. And in a region of maturations, developed root hairs which absorb water and minerals. Okay, so these are the reason of root. Next we will discuss about the functions of root. First is anchors the plant firmly in the soil, absorb water and minerals from soil, store extra food in some plants, example carrots, beetroots. And fourth is help in hormones productions and vegetative propagations in some plants, some species. So these are the functions of root. Okay, next we will discuss about the stem. So the stem developed from the plumule of seed. It is the ascending part of plant bearing branches, leaves, buds, flower and fruit. And stem has nodes where leaves arise, as you can see in pictures also, and internodes, distance within the nodes. Okay, so that stem grow upward from the plumule and it bears branches, leaves, buds, flowers, fruits, and also it has nodes where leaves grow and internodes, space between nodes. So next we will discuss about the functions of a stem. First, conduct water, minerals and food between roots and leaves, support leaves and flower for better sunlight exposure, may store foods like potato, perform photosynthesis or protections, thorns in lemon, aids in vegetative propagation, example rose, money plant. So this is the functions of stem. What are the functions of stem? Carries water, minerals, food and support leaves and flower, and store food, potato and photosynthesis like cactus, and protections thrown in lemon and propagations in money plant. So these are the functions of stem. Next we will discuss about the leaf. So leaf is the most important photosynthetic organs. It arises from the nodes and has a buds in the axial, confirming it is a leaf. A leaf consists of leaf base, petiole and lamina, leaf blade. As you can see the part of the leaf, petiole, midrib, vein, margin and leaf lamella. Then you will understand which part is the petiole, midrib, vein, leaf lamella. Okay. Next we will discuss about the venations. Venations means the arrangement. Okay. Veins arrangement is called venations. Here the venations are two types. First is reticulate venations, second is parallel venations. So in reticulate venations, net like in dicots, and parallel venation side by side in monocots. Monocots 1 and dicots 2 or more. So as you can see in the pictures, in reticulate venations, veins from a network common in dicots like banyan, and parallel venations run side by side found in monocots like banana tree. In the pictures like hibiscus and this vanillades and veins, as you can see, this is example of reticulate venations. In leaf, you easily find out the which one is reticulate venations and parallel venations. Here the leaves are what? Reticulate. Parallel venations, veins run side by side, found in monocots like banana. As you can see, in parallel venations are examples are banana, bamboo, grasses. Okay.